Hi, my name is Sarah. Welcome to the Input Page tutorial. To open the page, go to the main menu and tap the Input option in my Data section. The Input page allows you to enter data such as symptom, food, personal care product, medicine, and many more. On top of this page is the list of users you have added to your profile and want to monitor their health status. Next is the area where the entered data will be displayed for double-checking, prior to uploading them to the 12U12 database. Below that is a list of categories for the data you want to enter. The remaining fields are details for the specific item you want to enter. First is the item name. You will get a suggestion list based on the keywords you type. The next fields are to capture the amount and the unit of the item. The time field is the last required field. This is the most crucial field as all the analysis will be done based on the event time. For example, you should enter the exact time when you experience a symptom, start to have a meal, and the time you arrive at a certain location. Note that the time field represents the event time and should never be misunderstood as the data entry time. The note field is optional, where you may enter information for future reference. At the bottom, there are 3 buttons. The Add Item button moves your entered data to the display area for double checking. The Save Page button transfers your entries in the display area from your device to the 12U12 database for secured storage and analysis. And the Clear Page button deletes and resets all the fields on this page. Let's walk through an example to enter the 1 serving of Kroger brand tuna fish that my cat Kitty and I ate at 9 a.m. this morning. First, I choose my name, Sarah, then Kitty. Next, I select the food category. Then, I scan the barcode of the tuna we ate in the item name field. Here it is. We each ate 1 serving of the tuna fish. 9 a.m. was when we started eating the tuna. We normally eat the tuna warm, but this time we had it cold, so I will make a note. Not heated. Since everything is correct, let's add the item to the display area. You can always update your entries in the display area by tapping on it and making changes to any field. Mine looks good. Kitty, me, 9 a.m., 1 serving, tuna. Let's see if I missed anything else. Oh, I washed my hair this morning using homemade shampoo made by my grandma but forgot to enter the data. No problem, let's enter it now. First, I should deselect Kitty's name. Tap the category dropdown and select personal care product. Then, type grandma's shampoo. It's not in the suggestion list, but I can add it as a custom item, which will be tracked on Analyze page without ingredient information. Once saved, it will be displayed in the suggestion list for future entries. Next, enter the amount and unit. I go with 1 tablespoon. I washed my hair before breakfast, so I choose 8:30 a.m. for the occurrence time. Tap the Add Item button. Since the shampoo is not in the 12U12 database yet, tap Yes for the prompt to double confirm the entry. C will be added at the end of the item name to indicate that it is a custom item. Let's have a final check of my entries. For me, the homemade shampoo I used this morning and 1 serving of tuna. And for Kitty, only 1 serving of tuna. That's correct. Tap the Save Page button. My data entries have now been uploaded to the 12U12 database. Oh no. I am currently feeling itchy on my right palm. Let's enter it right away. I will select Sarah Lee from the user list. For category section, select symptom. To speed up data entry, let's use body map feature. Select front of right upper limb, followed by right palm. Select itch from the symptom list, and tap done. For severity, I would say moderate, which is a 5, as compared to the previous event, which was a 7. The occurrence time is now, because I am feeling the itch at severity 5 level right now. Tap the Add Item button. Now the item is in the display area. Then, tap the Save Page button. Done. To improve the analysis, I'm going to continue entering itch data for every 3 hours until I completely recover. It would be even better if I enter it on my good days as well by choosing 0, which is a normal for severity. I'm really looking forward to identifying what caused the itch symptom on Analyze page. Check out our other features on the menu bar. Tap on the section titles to watch more tutorial videos. Thanks for using the 12U12 app.